Hey, quick one today. I'll show you the best settings for your LG G5 Smart TV covering SDR, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. Let's jump right in. First, press and hold the gear icon on your remote for a few seconds. That brings up the Quick Settings menu. Before touching picture settings, let's clear out a few annoying defaults. This is a freshly reset TV, so it'll look exactly like yours does on day one. Go to General, then AI Service, then AI Recommendation. Turn off Smart Tips, and if you see Smart Tips and Settings, switch that off too. Those are just pop-ups getting in your way. Back out to System, then Additional Settings, then Home Settings. Turn off Home Promotion. This kills the ad banner webOS shows across the top of your home screen, plus other ads scattered through the menus. While you're here, turn off Content Recommendations too, unless you actually use it. Now back to General and scroll down to Energy Saving. Set this to Off. You'll get a warning. Just confirm it. You'll notice the screen brightens up right away. This setting was dimming your picture behind the scenes, so switching it off gives you the real performance your TV's capable of. Next, and this part's optional. If you're worried about screen burn or image retention, skip this section. If you mostly watch a mix of TV, movies, and sports, and don't game for long stretches, you can turn off logo brightness and screen move. This gives you a true pixel-for-pixel image. Screen Move normally shifts the picture slightly now and then to prevent burn-in. Turning it off is fine if you're not running bright static content often. Now head into Picture Settings. We're not calibrating with equipment here. That needs proper gear and takes the whole video chain into account. Instead, we'll use Filmmaker Mode, which is factory-tuned to be as accurate as possible right out of the box. First, set aspect ratio to original, and turn just scan on. This keeps the image at its native resolution with no overscan. Now go to Picture Mode and select Filmmaker Mode. One more useful tweak. If your room brightness changes throughout the day, go to Brightness, find Filmmaker Mode Ambient, and turn it on. This uses the TV's light sensor. In a dark room, it does nothing. In a bright room, it gently raises brightness so you don't lose shadow detail, all while keeping the image true to what the filmmaker intended. That covers SDR. Now let's switch to HDR. Feed your TV an HDR10 signal from Amazon, Disney+, or a 4K Blu-ray, and hold the gear button again. You'll see it confirm HDR Select Mode. Since we already handled the power and aspect settings earlier, all you need to do now is set Picture Mode to Filmmaker Mode. Then go into Advanced Settings and turn on Filmmaker Mode Ambient again. Same reason as before. Last one, Dolby Vision. Play Dolby Vision content, hold the gear button, and you'll see Dolby Vision Select Mode in the menu. Same steps apply. Set Picture Mode to Filmmaker Mode, head into Advanced Settings, and switch on Filmmaker Mode Ambient. And that's it. Your LG G5 or M5 or C5 is fully set up for the best picture in SDR, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. If this helped, drop a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button. More straightforward TV setup videos coming soon.